Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to access your favorite sites quickly on Chrome, by adding them to your homepage or bookmark. First, open Google and Chrome. Go to the website that you want to save. Let's say I want to save this website. Just click on the three dots and go to Bookmark. Click on Bookmark this tab and give it a name. I'll just leave it at default and click on Done. Now your bookmark will be added successfully, and you can access it anytime by just clicking on this All Bookmarks and clicking on the latest bookmark that we have added. Now your favorite sites are easily accessible whenever you open Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.